What is the Streisand Effect's impact on online misinformation law? Imagine trying to hide a secret, and suddenly everyone becomes more interested in finding out what you're hiding. That's the essence of the Streisand Effect. It happens when efforts to suppress information actually make it spread faster and wider. This effect is named after a famous incident involving singer Barbra Streisand, who tried to block photos of her house from public view. Instead of hiding the pictures, her attempt drew even more attention to them. In the world of online misinformation, this effect can be a real challenge for lawmakers and tech companies. When authorities try to remove false or harmful content, it can backfire. Instead of quieting the misinformation, the attempt to censor it often makes it more visible and viral. This is especially true on social media platforms where content spreads rapidly. Laws that aim to control misinformation must be careful. If they are too strict or unclear, they risk triggering the Streisand effect. For example, removing a piece of false information without explaining why can make people more curious and eager to share it. That's why transparency in content removal is becoming more important. Clear rules and open communication help prevent the unintended spread of misinformation. Artificial intelligence tools are also involved in moderating content. These systems scan for false or harmful posts and remove them. But if AI mistakenly censors legitimate speech or overreaches, it can cause the Streisand effect. People might then share the censored content to protest or expose the censorship, making the problem worse. That's why legal frameworks now focus on making AI moderation more accountable and precise. The Streisand effect also highlights a tension between fighting misinformation and protecting free speech. Overly aggressive laws or actions can scare people away from sharing their opinions or reporting issues. This can lead to a chilling effect where honest discussion is stifled. To avoid this, some strategies involve transparency, fact-checking, and engaging directly with the public rather than just trying to silence content. Legal actions like lawsuits or takedown notices can sometimes have the opposite effect. When a court orders content to be removed, it can draw more attention to it. This is why many legal experts suggest negotiated solutions or public education campaigns instead of heavy-handed censorship. In practical terms, understanding the Streisand effect helps lawmakers design smarter laws. Instead of trying to hide misinformation, they can focus on promoting accurate information and building trust. When authorities and platforms are transparent about their actions, they reduce the risk of making misinformation go viral. Overall, the Streisand effect teaches us that in the digital age, censorship can sometimes do more harm than good. Balancing regulation with openness and fairness is key. As technology advances, laws will need to adapt to ensure they do not unintentionally amplify the very problems they aim to solve. This effect reminds us that human behavior and social dynamics are powerful forces in shaping online conversations. And understanding these forces is essential for creating effective, fair, and sustainable rules for the future of tech law.